Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need Blender or similar and reference photos before you start. This saves time and keeps proportions accurate. Once ready, set scene units to cm, import images as background references, and add a cube to act as the monitor body. You begin by matching cube dimensions to the screen size and bezel thickness from photos. This establishes correct scale. Make sure to apply scale and freeze transforms so subsequent edits behave predictably, because accurate base geometry prevents problems later. Once the base cube matches scale, switch to edit mode and add edge loops to carve bezel, vents, and mounting holes. Bevel sharp edges to catch highlights. Then inset the front face slightly and extrude a thin plane inward for the glass. Add a subtle bevel to avoid perfectly hard edges. For the stand, create cylinders for neck and base. Use modifiers or booleans to join shapes cleanly, and mirror components when needed. These steps create clean topology and prepare the model for materials and rendering. To finish, add detail with bevels and a selective subdivision modifier. Place control loops where you need crisp edges and avoid oversmoothing thin parts. Unwrap UVs for the screen and body, assign an emissive material to the display area for realistic glow, and add textures for plastics and metal. Finally, inspect normals, remove duplicated vertices, and fix any non-manifold geometry before export. If something breaks, check flipped normals or overlapping faces first. Correcting those two issues resolves most rendering and export problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.